What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to reset a service reminder. The car is a 2014 Isuzu MU-X turbo diesel. Just match the instrument cluster to your particular vehicle, and you need to have this button on the stalk to the side. All you want to do is put the key to the on position, engine off. You wait for this little display to cycle through, and then we want to use this button on the stalk, this one here. And we want to cycle through until it says select mode, and then we want to press and hold, and then we go down pressing to cycle. So we want to cycle through to service, press and hold to select, and then we want to go into engine oil. You can reset all of these. So we're going to engine oil, select, and you can set your interval or you can turn it off. So we'll select 10,000, press and hold to select, and then we go down to the air element as well. We'll reset that one to 10,000. Actually, we'll do 20,000. No, we won't. We'll do 30,000. And then we'll go down to the maintenance one, press and hold to select that as well. And 10,000, yep, sounds good to me. Press and hold to select, and then we press end. Press and hold to select end, and that's it. That's how you do the service reminder reset on your 2014 or newer Isuzu MU-X turbo diesel. Thank you very much. Have a good day, guys. Bye for now.